Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change or rename your sound device. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be want to rename your sound devices in your Windows 11. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You have to click in your Windows 11 this sound icon, just right click over on it and then click here sound setting. And here, for example, you can say I had total 4 output device. And you might be want to change or rename any output device. For example, I want to change this Dell S2721HS output device name. So we're going to choose this, and then you're going to see there is an option is appear rename. From here, you can choose like I am going to type here Dell monitor sound, and then I'm going to click here rename. Now we're going to see I had successfully changed the rename. If I go here this speaker, for example, if I click here like sound setting again, and then we're going to see now it's appear the new name. So within this simple way you can easily rename any sounds device name. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.